Installation is done. And check it out. Check it out. So tries the process with ranking 19. That board is talking. Because Dumanesi. We'll purchase from ranking 19. You want any printer? Print head, just link up with ranking 19 and you're going to get a support. See that? So everything is on board. Yes, here is the old head. Check it out. This head is more than 1 year. More than 1 year. Check it out. This one is the Inca. So tries the process. Buy from ranking 19. So that if you have any issues, you can just link up with me so that I can help you. Check it out. Yeah, everything is working. This is ranking 19. Ranking 19. Yeah. Trust the process. Trust the process.